Hey guys, this is going to be a super quick video. I just want to show you how I package my Color Street twosies to hand out in person. So it's a little different than what I do when I mail it out. When I mail them, I have these cards made up and I attach a twosie here. It's got instructions on the back, it's got my contact info. But I don't want to carry around those big cards in my pocket to give out in person. So instead I package them very cute into these little packages. And it's got a twosie, an alcohol pad, a nail file, and then my business card. And they fit really well in my pocket, my purse, my book bag, whatever. So anyways, really quickly, I just want to show you what I do. I have not figured out how to consolidate these two business cards into one yet, but eventually that would be my goal. Because I had these cards made. I really want people in my Facebook group. So one of the sides says, you know, please join my VIP group. There's always giveaways and prizes and games and whatever on there. And then it has the name for them to join. And then the other side is instructions, because I want to send instructions. I want people to know how to use them. But I had them made and then I didn't realize there's no contact info on them, so except for my Facebook. So if people don't have Facebook, then they can't get a hold of me. So obviously I want my website, my email, all of that, my Instagram, all of that is on here. So I now use both cards, but eventually I'll find a way to combine them. But for now, I'm just gonna use them up. So I have two cards, then I put a nail prep pad in front, and then I put a twosie, and I want the design side facing out because I want to be able to see later which one is in that packet, because some people will say I'd really love a pink sample or whatever. On the back there is a sticker. This does have my info on it, but I figured once people use the twosie, they throw that away. I want them to have a business card, something they keep with my info on it. And then I slide it into a bag. I get these bags on Amazon. They come in different colors and patterns and stuff, but this one is my favorite. I have a blue and pink set. Slide it in with the twosie facing out, and then I just want to add a nail file on the side for them, and then you peel up this here, and it's self-adhesive, and you seal it shut. So now just by looking at the outside, I know this one's Coral Bay, this one's Nuclear Fusion, and that's it. And then I just carry those around with me, and I have them in my pocket. Anytime I'm out, I have them in my purse, my diaper bag, whatever. I'm sorry about my face and my hair. At work right now, we have to wear a mask all the time. I'm in my own private area and there's no one here. So right now I don't have to, but when I'm out and about through the hospital, I have a mask. So all my makeup from like here down is worn off, but that's the quarantine, I guess. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll drop a link to those bags in the comments. They do come in pink, but I don't, oh, here they are. There's the pink ones. They came in a pack of 200, and I love them. So hopefully you guys like them too. Hopefully it helps somebody. This is now a longer video than I meant for it to be, so I'm gonna end it, but I'll talk to you guys later.